Down this one, small. Small, madam, for 56 pesos. Mine and pinkish. Mine pinkish, madam, small for 56 pesos. Mine and pinkish for only 56. Next time, madam.
Mine and pinkish. Ako ang kilay na, nasa pikas sa dili na. Yung sa kanina kong kilay ito. Yung sa gatay ko yung sa nito, nido.
Down this one for only 56 pesos. The medium. The medium. Medium, madam, 56. Mine, tuyok. Mine, tuyok. Medium, madam, 56. Mine, tuyok. Medium, madam, 56. Ay, tornado mo po din na yung kilay, ticha. Ano ba? Huh? Di ba na? Kani ba na? Wala naman. Mine, tornado. Ano ba? No, tornado. Na, maudi ay. Tornado da yan. Down this one, small. Small, madam, for 56 pesos. Mine, Insta. Mine, Insta, madam. Small for 56 pesos. Mine, Insta. For only 56. Next ka, madam.
Kakamuyap dyan, giduha dyan siya diri o. Tornado. Maniwat siya sa ni Kuya Jerry. Ako ni Kuya Manso.
Sige siya mangilay, no?
How ba? Sa akin po dyan yung kilay. Mga naging siya.
Masa pa man na?
Inged, inoy.
Bagay yung kilay sa una day. Makukuha sa sauna kilay.
Nagyan sa ni mo.
Sige ko ba?
Noy, kaya di ay. Hindi ka na. Sakto.
Down this one, small. Small, madam, 56. Mine, Poppy. Mine, Poppy. Small, madam, 56. Mine, Poppy. Small, madam, 56. Mine, Poppy. Small, madam, 56. Poppy. Next, madam. Mine, Poppy. Down this one, large. Large, madam, for 56 pesos. Mine, box. Mine, box, madam, large for 56 pesos. Mine, box for only 56. Next, madam.
Mayan box next na madam.
Down this one, XL. Down this one, XL for only 56 pesos. Mine page. Mine page, madam, XL for only 56. Mine page, XL, madam, 56. Mine page, XL, 56. Page, next na madam. Mine page. Down this one's medium. Medium, madam, for 56 pesos. Mine see-through. Mine see-through, madam. Medium for 56 pesos. Mine see-through for only 56. Next time. Mine see-through, the medium. Medium, madam, for only 56. Mine lightning. Mine lightning up to medium for only 56. Mine lightning up to medium for only 56. Mine lightning, medium, madam, for only 56. Mine lightning, next, madam. Mine lightning. Down this one, small. Small, madam, for 56 pesos. Mine ubi. Mine ubi, madam, small for 56 pesos. Mine ubi for only 56. Next, no? Mine ube.
Ano, may tutorial ka?
So, madam, last 5 na ta, madam. But before po tayo mag-proceed sa ating last 5, ulitin muna natin yung mechanics natin, madam, for you to be guided, madam. So, madam, we will continue our live, madam, on Monday po, madam. Regular live sales schedule po natin, madam, from Mondays to Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 12 noon and 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So, madam, please don't forget to like and follow po, madam, sa ating page, Maya Domina Ibotek, and kindly join po, madam, sa ating broadcast channel para ma-notify po kay madam during live as well as po sa ating mga important updates. So, madam, location po natin, madam, Talisay and Cebu City. Meron po tayong deliveries, madam, from Mondays to Saturdays. Alas 8 sa morning, ang atuang cut-off, madam. And, madam, strictly mine na, deliver ta tomorrow. So, kay close man ta every Sunday. Kung sino po yung nag-mine today, sa Monday na po siya ma-deliver, madam. So, madam, if kung hindi pa kayo gustong magpa-deliver on Monday, madam, kindly fully pay lang po muna yung items niyo po, madam. And hatagi mi sa inyong preferred nga schedule kung ka na sa mulahan magpa-deliver sa inyong items, madam. O kung tiga Talisay area po kayo, madam, PN from Gentle P Subdivision. If kung tiga Cebu City area po kayo, madam, PN from UV Colon to your address. Maximum rate po tayo, madam.
If para sa ating mga outside Cebu miners, payment first po tayo sa items in SF. Meron po tayong shipping, madam, every day except Sundays through JNT door-to-door, madam. And madam, no cancellations po tayo, madam, every after live, madam. So madam, para sa mga nag-mind this afternoon, makaka-receive po kayo ng invoice, madam, after this live. Pa-wait na lang po, madam, and payments or balances must be settled po, madam, within 24 hours po, madam. Madam, medium. Medium, madam, for only 56 pesos. Mine charge. Mine charge, madam, medium. For only 56 pesos. Mine charge. Mine charge, madam, medium, madam, 56. Mine charge. Next, madam.
Mine charge for only 56. Down this one small. Small, madam, for 56 pesos. Mayan kahoy. Mayan kahoy, madam, small for 56 pesos. Mayan kahoy for only 56. Next, madam.
Mayan kahoy for only 56 pesos. Down this one, large to XL. Large to XL for only 56. Mayan butanding. Mine butanding, large to XL 56. Mine butanding, large to XL for only 56. Mayan butanding, large to XL 56. Mayan butanding, next naman.
Mayan butanding. Down this one, semi-med. Semi-med, madam, for 56 pesos. Mayan blue. Mayan blue, madam, semi-med for 56 pesos. Mayan blue for only 56. Next naman.
Mayan blue. Down this one up to large. Up to large, madam, for only 56. Mine poppies. Mine poppies, large, madam, 56. Mine poppies, large, madam, 56. Last item this afternoon na live. Mine poppies, madam. Mayan poppies. So, madam, thank you so much for joining us today, madam. See you again on Monday, madam. God bless you all, madam. Goodbye, time.